Vendors caught stealing electricity inside the Papine market in St. Andrew will face being evicted from the facility. The development follows a revelation by authorities at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, that they would be revoking the license of delinquent vendors. A section of the market was recently gutted by fire. That was linked to illegal electricity connections. But despite the destruction, some vendors continue to set up illegal electrical connections. The damaged area at the market is still being reconstructed, and Mayor Delroy Williams says going forward, it won't be business as usual.
The KSAMC did an operation there, and we had to remove many illegal connections, electrical connections within the market. And what we are saying to vendors is that we are not going to put up with the illegal electrical connections, that those posed risk to the market. And we have experienced many fires before coming from illegal electrical connections. And we are saying that we are not going to support it.